Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back to share with you another fun tutorial, which is the thin scarf using the knit stitch. I hope you like the knit stitch, although it takes a little time, but it's worth all the time it takes. It is very easy to finish. It's the same repetition throughout the work, just an increase, then straight line, then decrease. We'll start the tutorial right away. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot, and I'll chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I will chain 1, and I've got 2 stitches. I'm gonna work in the back loop only. I'm gonna slip stitch in each back loop. So 1 and 2, and I'm gonna repeat 4 more times. Chain 1, slip stitch. Okay, 1 more. So I should have 5 rows of slip stitch, and the 6th row will start the increase. So basically you do 5 rows of slip stitch in the back loop. Every 6th row of this scarf will be an increase till we get 15 stitches at some point. I'm gonna chain 1, and I will make an increase. So I'm gonna make 2 slip stitches in the first back loop. So 1, try not to make it too tight, and 2, and 1 slip stitch in the next back loop. And again for the next 5 rows I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch only. So 1, 2 and 3. And now going into the 6th round again, I'm gonna make an increase. So again in the first back loop, 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch in every stitch. So again you increase every 6th row till you get 15 stitches at the end, and then we will follow to the next step. So here I have reached 15 stitches in this last row, and from now on what I'm gonna do for the next 60 rows, I'm gonna chain one and slip stitch in every back loop. Only that. For the next, from now till the next 60 rows, just slip stitch in every row, no more increase of the triangle. And once it's done, we'll go to the next step, which is the decrease to get back the same triangle shape. Not to forget the very last stitch. So here I have finished 100 rows of slip stitch from the stitch marker, straight line of slip stitch, and now the next step is going to be a decrease to get back the shape, the initial shape of the scarf. So for that I'm gonna chain one and turn, and I will do the decrease every 6 rows. So 1 row of decrease followed with 5 rows of slip stitch in every stitch, and then another row of decrease, and so on until I get back to 1 stitch only. So what I'm gonna do is insert the hook into the first back loop stitch, pull through, insert it in the next back loop stitch, pull through everything, and now I've got 1 stitch, and I will continue slip stitching in every back loop stitch, and I will follow, like I said, with 5 rows of slip stitch before I do a decrease again. And I will keep repeating until I get 1 stitch only left in the entire work. And here I have finished 5 rows, and I'm gonna do another decrease. So again, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through, insert into the next stitch and pull through all, and continue. And that's all. Cut the yarn. And our scarf is complete. So this is the end of it, the way it started, the way it ends. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, it's up to you. I have done from the stitch marker, like I said, 100 rows of slip stitch, and that's how you get the knit stitch thin scarf for winter or fall. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye.